Xoto 3-wheel e-scooter. The Xoto 3-wheel e-scooter is a high-performance electric scooter built for both excitement and practicality. Priced at $7,500, it features a powerful 3,000-watt brushless hub motor, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour with a range of 45 miles. Its innovative leaning mechanism offers a dynamic yet stable riding experience, perfect for long journeys. The swappable battery system lets you double the range with ease. Comfort and functionality are key. It comes with anti-dive front suspension, hydraulic disc brakes on all wheels, and a reverse function. There's also ample storage, including space for an extra battery under the seat. Convenience features like a USB port, phone holder, LED lighting, and a keyless alarm add to the scooter's usability. With a 350 pounds capacity, it's ideal for 2 riders and longer adventures. Kerv Automotive. The Kerv Automotive EV merges the excitement of a motorcycle, the luxury of a sports car, and the feel of a jet cockpit, creating a truly unique driving experience. Its electro-hydraulic tilting system allows the vehicle to lean seamlessly into turns, providing unmatched stability and an exhilarating ride. The advanced steering and tilting system automatically adapts to the road conditions, enhancing safety and control. Inside, the cockpit is sleek and tech-savvy, featuring a digital dashboard, infotainment system, and hands-free communication. Powered by dual electric motors producing over 136 horsepower, the Kerv can reach speeds of 160 km per hour and offers a range of 200 km, making it both powerful and versatile. Arc 1. The Arc 1 is an electric speedboat that combines cutting-edge technology with a quiet, eco-friendly ride. Powered by 500 horsepower and 220 kilowatts battery packs, it reaches a top speed of 40 miles per hour. One of its standout features is its silent operation, even at low speeds, making conversation on board easy and enjoyable. The touchscreen display offers intuitive navigation, entertainment, and vital boat stats, giving you full control and information at a glance. The interior of the Arc 1 is spacious and modern, with room for up to 12 passengers. This electric boat not only delivers powerful performance, but also boasts impressive battery management for a smooth and efficient driving experience. Retailing at $300,000, the Arc 1 is a limited edition model that sold out quickly, securing its place as one of the top high-end electric boats on the market. Zebra 09. The Zebra 09 is a powerful electric 4-wheeled scooter, designed for serious off-road adventures. It's equipped with 2 electric motors, delivering a combined 2,000 watts of power. This allows it to outperform many e-bikes and e-scooters. With 9-inch wheels, knobby off-road tires, and a durable steel frame, the Zebra 09 offers excellent stability. Although it weighs 45 kilograms, making it quite heavy, it can still tow up to 250 kilograms with an optional trailer, perfect for hauling gear. The scooter features a 960 watt-hours battery, providing a range of 28 miles per charge. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to fully charge. Additionally, the Zebra 09 includes an IP6 rated motor and controller, an LED headlight, and a foldable saddle for adjustable riding positions. While its bulkiness might make transport a challenge, its off-road capabilities are truly unmatched. Slingshot ROUSH. The Slingshot ROUSH Edition is a high-performance roadster, created through a collaboration between Polaris and ROUSH Performance. This limited edition model takes the iconic 3-wheeled roadster to the next level. Under the hood, it's powered by a ProStar 2.0L 4-cylinder engine, delivering 203 horsepower. This provides incredible speed and acceleration for an unforgettable driving experience. Visually, the ROUSH Edition stands out with its bold design. It features exclusive ROUSH branding, custom graphics, and a striking 2-tone paint scheme in red and black. Inside, the premium interior is built for performance, with sport seats featuring custom stitching, a ROUSH-branded steering wheel, and a 7-inch ride command display with navigation. The Slingshot ROUSH Edition offers a perfect combination of speed, style, and luxury, making it a must-have for any roadster enthusiast. Bandit 9 Eve Odyssey. The Bandit 9 Eve Odyssey pushes the limits of motorcycle design with its sleek aluminum alloy unibody and custom-built details. This 125cc bike offers an impressive 156 mpg, blending efficiency with style. Its futuristic box frame and single-sided swingarm emphasize a minimalist look, while the custom LED speedometer and aluminum controls add a touch of sophistication. Weighing just 265 pounds, the Eve Odyssey offers smooth handling and a top speed of 68 miles per hour. From the leather or neoprene saddle to the titanium exhaust upgrade, every element of the Eve Odyssey reflects expert craftsmanship. It's more than a bike, it's a high-performance statement piece for lovers of unique engineering. Etnnic Cargo Trike. The Etnnic Cargo Trike, priced at $4,160, is a versatile electric cargo trike perfect for sustainable urban deliveries. It can transport goods, or even carry children and pets. Powered by a 250-watt Bwong e-center motor and a 16Ah battery, it offers a range of 70 to 90 kilometers and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for city use. The trike features a sturdy 6000 series aluminum frame that supports up to 140 kg. Its adjustable aluminum stem and MTB-style handlebars provide enhanced comfort while riding. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes by Bengal and a 9-speed Shimano derailleur, the Etnnic Cargo Trike ensures smooth control and reliable stopping power. Other thoughtful features include a suspension seat post, durable Schwalbe tires, and a weather-resistant powder polyurethane finish. This trike is a reliable, comfortable, and environmentally friendly solution for last-mile deliveries. Freesky Warrior Pro M530. Power and versatility in one electric bike. The Freesky Warrior Pro M530 is built for those who need both power and versatility, whether you're commuting in the city or exploring off-road trails. This electric bike is equipped with dual 1000-watt brushless motors, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 38 miles per hour. It's designed for a thrilling yet stable ride, perfect for adventure seekers. With a range of 50 to 85 miles, depending on your riding style and the 5 levels of pedal assist, you can easily adjust the bike to suit your needs. The bike's durability is ensured by an upgraded 661 aluminum frame, paired with 26 by 4-inch fat tires that provide excellent stability and comfort, even on rough terrain. Its full suspension system further enhances the smoothness of the ride, absorbing bumps along the way. Safety is a priority with hydraulic brakes, offering reliable stopping power no matter where you're riding. Polaris Timbersled Ripper. The Polaris Timbersled Ripper, priced at $2,300, is the perfect snowbike kit for family fun and an easy entry into the world of snowbiking. Designed to convert 110cc dirt bikes, the Ripper offers excellent performance on and off the trails, suitable for riders of all ages and skill levels. Its 93-inch track and dual-arm Timbersled IFP suspension provide reliable traction and control on various terrains. The adjustable seat height ensures it can grow with riders, offering long-term use. Backed by Polaris's renowned engineering and support, the Ripper delivers a fun, user-friendly experience that turns every snow day into a lasting family adventure. Sleipnir Monster Glacier Bus. The Sleipnir Monster Glacier Bus offers an unforgettable way to explore Iceland's Langjökull Glacier, combining power, luxury, and adventure. As the world's largest monster truck, it features 17.8-inch wheels and a powerful 800 horsepower engine, making it capable of navigating rugged terrain and crevasses up to 3 meters wide. At 15 meters long, the Sleipnir ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, thanks to its massive size and advanced engineering. Inside, passengers can enjoy 47 plush leather seats, a built-in barbecue, Wi-Fi, and panoramic windows, offering breathtaking views of the glacier in style. This extraordinary expedition vehicle sets a new standard for glacier exploration. It provides the perfect balance of safety, comfort, and convenience in one truly unique setting. Moller Skycar. The Moller Skycar is a pioneering hybrid electric or all-electric VTOL aircraft, designed for passenger travel. It offers impressive cruise speeds of up to 318 miles per hour at 25,000 feet, making it fast and efficient for urban air mobility. The Skycar has a 450-mile range and features 4 propellers housed in 2 rotating nacelles, providing excellent maneuverability. Made from lightweight carbon fiber composite, the aircraft is both strong and efficient. Safety is a top priority, with advanced features like distributed electric propulsion, ensuring redundancy in critical systems. Its retractable landing gear allows for smooth transitions between flying and driving modes. With a maximum takeoff weight of 900 pounds and a payload capacity of 225 pounds, the Moller Skycar is a bold step toward the future of personal air transport. It blends speed, efficiency, and innovative design to redefine how we travel. UDX Airwolf. Two companies are in the race to create the world's first flying motorbike, but they're taking different paths. For years, California-based Jetpack Aviation planned to develop the Razor flying motorbike. However, they recently put the project on hold to focus on building large, high-speed military drones. Meanwhile, UDX has been advancing its own project, the Airwolf. Currently, the CCK team is testing a scaled prototype at Technology Readiness Level 5, or TRL5. In simpler terms, this stage means they're validating core components in a realistic environment. The Airwolf is designed as a two-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle, aiming to combine the thrill of a motorbike with the freedom of flight. As testing progresses, UDX is pushing closer to making this flying motorbike concept a reality. Tatum Dragon Sand Car. The Tatum Dragon Sand Car is a high-performance dune buggy designed to take off-roading to new heights. Powered by a monstrous Danzo twin-turbo 430C engine, it delivers an impressive 1,400 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with on any terrain. This dune buggy is packed with advanced features. It includes a Life Racing AQ, an 8-inch color dash, and a no-lift sequential transmission for smooth, seamless gear shifts. The Brox BR7 heads and solid roller cam provide superior engine durability and performance, ensuring that the Dragon Sandcar can tackle the toughest dunes with ease. With traction control and robust underbody protection, the Dragon Sandcar masters the sand dunes effortlessly. It also comes with luxury features like underglow lighting, a premium sound system, and PCI race headsets to enhance your off-roading experience. Meticulously maintained with ceramic coating and XELPPF, this vehicle is built for both performance and style. The Tatum Dragon Sandcar is not just a dune buggy, it's a show-stopping combination of power, design, and engineering excellence. Happier Camper HC1 Trailer. The Happier Camper HC1 is a lightweight trailer that combines retro charm with modern functionality. Its sleek fiberglass shell is both durable and stylish, making it perfect for road trips, camping, or spontaneous adventures. One standout feature is its modular interior. The adaptive system allows you to customize the space in minutes. Need a sleeping area, a kitchen, or a lounge? You can easily arrange or remove components to suit your needs. At just 1,100 pounds, the HC1 is light enough to be towed by most vehicles, even compact cars. This makes it an excellent option for a wide range of travelers. With a starting price of around $39,995, the HC1 offers a high-quality, versatile solution for those seeking comfort and style on the road. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or weekend explorer, the Happier Camper HC1 is ready to enhance your adventures. Eighteen Wheels. Meet the 18 Wheels terrain vehicle, a groundbreaking machine that's redefining off-road mobility. This vehicle is powered by U-Lead technology, a system that gives each of its 18 wheels its own electric motor and independent suspension. This unique design provides unmatched adaptability, allowing the vehicle to maintain speed and stability over rugged landscapes. One of its standout features is the ability to navigate obstacles up to 200 mm high without slowing down. This means it can tackle tough terrains that most vehicles would struggle with, delivering smooth and reliable performance in challenging environments. The fully electric drive of the 18 Wheels terrain vehicle makes it an eco-friendly choice, promoting sustainability without compromising on power. Every component is meticulously engineered to ensure both durability and environmental responsibility. What's truly remarkable is its traceless operation. The vehicle glides over surfaces without damaging the terrain, making it ideal for areas where preserving the environment is a priority. Whether it's tackling soft soil or rocky ground, it leaves no harmful impact. The recyclable construction and EU patented design show the commitment to innovation and eco-consciousness. 18 Wheels sets a new standard in off-road mobility by combining advanced technology with environmental responsibility. With the 18 Wheels terrain vehicle, we see a new benchmark for versatile, sustainable, and high-performance off-road travel. Tazzari ZEROMAX CUBO. The Tazzari ZEROMAX CUBO is the eco-friendly electric vehicle designed for urban professionals and businesses. It's perfect for city deliveries, industrial logistics, and green space maintenance. Let's explore how this compact electric workhorse can revolutionize sustainable urban operations. The ZEROMAX CUBO offers 3 different variants to suit your specific needs. You can choose between the van, the pickup, or the naked version, making it adaptable for diverse professional requirements. Whether you're transporting goods, tools, or equipment, there's a variant ready to meet your demands. At the heart of the ZEROMAX CUBO is an 11.5 kilowatt motor paired with a durable lithium LFP battery. This battery is designed to last, supporting up to 3,000 charging cycles, so you can rely on it for the long haul. And with a range of up to 312 kilometers on a single charge, it ensures you stay on the road longer without needing constant recharging. The vehicle comes with 2 driving modes, allowing you to optimize your driving experience depending on your load or energy-saving needs. Plus, its high load capacity makes it an efficient choice for carrying heavy cargo while maintaining smooth performance.